In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to remove user account password in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's dive in quickly to the process. So first of all, you need to navigate at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. Here at the settings, please proceed to the left pane, find for an option called accounts, click on it. And under the accounts, you can find their account settings. Please proceed to sign in options, click on here. And under the sign in options section, you'll get to see the different ways to sign in. So here you need to proceed to additional settings first. Please turn it off because if you would turn it on and if you would navigate to your accounts, especially to the sign in options, okay, when you click on sign in options, you can't see the passwords. It is very crucial to turn it off. In that way, the moment you will open your accounts again and the moment you will navigate to the sign in options, you'll get to see the password option. Now here at the password, you can see there down arrow key, click on that one. And from here, you'd be able to see an option called remove. In my case, I don't have any because I'm not using the password as my sign-in options. I'm using PIN as my sign-in options instead. So from that, you'll get to see removed here under the password. Just click on it. Once you click on it, it will ask you to confirm your action. Just have to confirmed it by clicking on yes. And if it will ask you to type for your current password and you would like, if it asks you to re-enter that, just re-enter your current password and click on next and just have to complete the command and then follow the command there. And in that way, just restart your computer. Once you've restarted it, you'd be able to remove your user account password permanently here in your Windows 11. Okay? Now, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.